I am Candan Kaplan. Today I am going to show you how to make broccoli soup. So let's jump into it. For my recipe I will use 1 carrot. Cut the carrot from top and bottom. We will need small carrot pieces. Add some olive oil to the pan. And saute carrots. Now I will chop the broccolis. Saute carrots. By the way, I will chop the broccolis. Also cut them into small pieces like carrot. You can use also some part of the broccoli if you like. I saute carrots and I will add 1 spoon of flour. I will use 1 spoon of chili pepper, 1 glass of corn, and then add broccolis. And stir it. Then I will add boiled water. Or hot water. You can also use vegetable broth into it. I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. And boil the soup for half an hour, around half an hour. Don't forget to stir it during the process. After you boil it around 25 minutes, add 1 glass of milk. It gives our soup a little bit creamy taste. And boil it for 5 more minutes too. Let's wait. Now my soup is ready. As a topping, add some chili pepper. Our soup is ready. A soup is always a good choice for me. Three things never come back when it's gone: words, time, and opportunity. Everyone can cook good food. Please try my recipe and write down below about your comments. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you on our next videos. Ciao.